Well, one of the most important ways that you can help someone else with their attachment style is to know the history and context of your own attachment style. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you can identify that you're a secure individual, and what that means is that at the end of a conversation, let's say you're trying to figure out what to have for dinner. One person says Indian food, the other person says Chinese food, and you both have a set of needs. If you can walk away from that situation, like being willing to negotiate that both people have a set of needs here, you're going to do just fine if you're trying to interact or negotiate with an avoidant partner or a friend or even a coworker. So the avoidant individual is more likely to say, oh, we don't have the same set of needs. I'm just going to go ahead and go get my own food. Don't worry about me. And if that's the case, it's really easy for someone in a secure attachment style to say, oh, okay, they clearly want some time to themselves right now, or for whatever reason, like this decision-making process is too much for them. And you can say, okay, and kind of accept you don't have to do anything. You don't need to chase them. And then also, if you're really anxious and that person kind of goes into the avoidant individual fight mode and just wants to go do it themselves, go get their own dinner, go get their own lunch, you can say, okay, I feel really anxious right now. I feel really, really scared. I'm afraid this person doesn't want to interact with me. It's important at that point to recognize that for someone with an insecure attachment, they're going to take in the avoidant response as a negative evaluation of themselves. And so if you do get into an interaction like that, you can just be supportive by giving them their space, acknowledging your needs, but not at your own expense. Like you can give them space and be respectful. And you still need to go get your own lunch. So if you wanted to have lunch and your social needs were saying, I need to go eat with someone, I need a break, go and find someone else and take care of yourself. That's the most valuable way that you can really be present with someone that's having an avoidant reaction in that moment.